All right, you guys, like I said, it is a Monday, an essential oils Monday type of day. So, Brownie's waiting for me to take him on a walk. All right, Brownie, hold up. I know. All right, hold up. So, I'm actually going to make a quick room spray, an energizing room spray, because I need energy this morning, you guys. You want something that's going to stimulate your senses. So the essential oils that are good for that, for example, I have peppermint here. I also have eucalyptus. Let's see, what else do I have here on tap right now? Grapefruit. Your citrus fruits are great at this. Grapefruit, tangerine, lemons, bergamot. I have bergamot here somewhere. I try to stay somewhat organized. Here's my bergamot. Bergamot is a great one as well. Lemongrass is great for energizing the senses. I also have this lemon eucalyptus. Now, the basic recipe for this is you need a spray bottle, right? So I already uncapped it. And you can basically do water and oil, but you know, water and oil really does not mix well. But that will still work. Or you can add what's called an emulsifier. So an emulsifier is a chemical that actually helps the oil and water mix together. And that mix actually helps the essential oil particles stay in the air longer, or whatever surface you're going to spray this on longer. And that way you can enjoy the smell for a longer period of time. So you can actually use witch hazel as an emulsifier. You can also use vodka as well. Now, all right, so I got my witch hazel, a tablespoon, so pour it in here. Because I'm working with one hand, I busted out the funnel, but of course you don't have to have a funnel to do this. And then next, what I'm going to do is fill the rest of this bottle about up to here with my water. And you don't really want to use tap water. You want to use like a filtered water or a distilled water. All right, and I'm going with my grapefruit and bergamot. So I'm going with a citrusy, let me move this, going with a citrusy room spray. I might add a little peppermint to this too. Now, some essential oils, depending on their thickness, will pour out faster. Typically, your citrus oils, so I'm using grapefruit, will have a faster pour, so just be careful of that. But, you know, you might want to do around like 10 drops each if you're mixing it, or 30 drops if you're just doing a single oil. All right, so now I'm putting in my bergamot essential oil. And you can see this one is pouring out a little bit, about the same. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you can see the color of that is actually like orange. Smells good already. That should be plenty to help wake me up. Okay, then you just top this bad boy back up. And now you want to give it a gentle shake. Just a gentle shake. Mixing up the witch hazel, the water, and the oil. And now we have our spray here. I'm going to start spraying the area, my work area. Get some energizing energy up in here. All right, you guys. So that's a quick way you can do a room spray. If you want to do a sensual mood, you would just do a sensual oil. If you want relaxing mood, just do relaxing oils. But it is very quick, easy, effective, cost effective, and it works.